How much time to grow a YouTube short channel? To know this thing, I created a new brand, YouTube channel 90 days ago, where I regularly upload 2 videos per day. And literally, you will be shocked to see the analysis of our channel. Well, before starting the video, there is a good news for you. I will do the giveaway of my old channel once our brand new channel completes 1,000 subscribes. Alright, it's time to see the results of the channel.
Okay, this is that channel which uploads 2 videos per day regularly for me. And I am sorry that you can't see the name of this channel. Well, this channel has gained 3,700 plus subscribes per 3 months. But I am not at all satisfied with these subscribes because I expect more from this channel. But otherwise, this channel has received 400,000 pulse views per last 28 days and 12,000 views in 48 hours. And this channel has got the highest 50,000 views per 48 hours. Okay, not bad. Now you are talking. How many views have you got on this channel in the last 7 days? Guys, this channel has got 100,000 pulse views per 7 days, which I am satisfied with. And now let's talk about the highest short view of this channel. So guys, if you show me top short videos analysis, then the views on this video are 300 and the reach on this short is 400 plus. And the audience retention of this video is 92%, or this video is watched for about 42 seconds, or the length of this entire video is 50 seconds. But unfortunately, this channel has not monetized because this channel has not yet gained just 800k plus views. Alright, this was the result of my channel. If you want this channel to be yours, then please subscribe to our new channel, and if you are satisfied with this result, then please tell by commenting. Meet soon next. Video me, take care, bye.